3, 2. Hey, Bill Spadea here. I'm joined today by Cindy Rein-Zima, who's the president and CEO of Hamilton Horizons Federal Credit Union. Cindy, welcome to New Jersey 101.5. How are you?
Great, thanks,
Good.
Bill.
So I was telling you earlier, I love credit unions. I love that we work with New Jersey credit unions because my wife and I are a member of two. And I've never looked for another banking product. I mean, from buying a car to financing a house, personal loans, credit cards, savings account, checking account, you've got everything.
I'm so happy to hear that. So,
and it's not just for this conversation on an ad.
Yeah.
Like, it's legit. I mean, because it's the service that matters. And I think today that there are so many big banks out there where you feel like you're truly a number, that you stay in line on hold, you wait, that personal service. I think especially with younger people, they have an expectation that's a lot higher than maybe we had over the last 10 years.
Well, I can tell you ours is really personal service. The credit union has actually been around since 1954. I've been around credit union since 1978. I've been at this credit union for 20 years. What we try to give really personal service. When you walk in the door, we pretty much know who you are. And it's nice to have that. It's also nice, though, to have the automation that the millennials love to have.
Yeah.
We have mobile deposit. We have virtual branch.
You do. So you've got a deposit where somebody can take a picture of the check.
Yeah.
Even I don't use that yet.
Really?
I probably should.
It makes it so easy. You never
Yeah.
have to go to a branch. Once you open the account, you don't have to go to the branch. But if you do need it, you can call up and you get a person on the phone. And
What about with loans? I mean, you've got first-time home buyers out there, young couples that are starting to now think about, okay, I need to make that big investment in real estate, and they're nervous about it.
We actually work through a QSO that is our mortgage department, and we have a mortgage center on our website. You can go out and do a lot of research right there.
Now, what's your website?
Our website is www.hamiltonhorizons.org.
Hamiltonhorizons.org.
It's very simple.
Okay. And now you've got all the service on the website?
All the services are on the website. Our virtual branch logon is there. That's the way you get into the mobile as well. It's very easy.
Now, what about for younger people? I mean, do you give financial advice? I find that a lot of people they're really not sure. Should I put my money in a savings account, in a checking account? How much debt should I have on my credit card? These are questions that people ask all the time because they don't know.
It's interesting you say that. I'm actually holding 2 budget seminars next week.
Okay.
And I use those to reach out to individuals in the community and members. One Thursday, one Saturday at the office. And I'd love to sit down with people and work with them, kind of to talk about those things. I'm a certified financial counselor through CUNA, our national association, and I love to work with people and kind of work with them. Now,
is it a free seminar?
It's a free seminar
at
our office. And
can they find the information on the seminar on the website?
Actually, if they call our office or they go on our website and get our information, call our office and you can just talk to somebody and sign up for it.
Okay, what's the number?
It's 609-631-4300.
Okay, that's great.
I would love to have them come in because I work with young people all the time. I have 2 boys who are 24 and 27, and I worked with them. And when my now 27-year-old was 21, I handed him his credit report, and I said, "You have a 767 credit score." I said, "This is the best gift your parents are ever going to give you. Don't screw it up."
That's it. Go borrow some money now.
Yeah. My 24-year-old has an 802 credit score. He's better than me.
No kidding. Well, I think, and it's a good point, Cindy, that young people should not be afraid to borrow money. I think too many people, they're afraid. They cut the credit card up. They're afraid to be in debt. My understanding is you do need a little bit. You need a credit history. You need to borrow some money and make those regular payments so that you show future lenders that, hey, I'm responsible.
Absolutely, and you're never going to be able to buy a house if you don't have established credit. And you have to pay your student loans, and you have to borrow for a car. You should have a gas credit card. You should have, and if your parents have good credit, ask them to put you on their card that they've been paying so that you have a long-term established credit, and then they're paying it, and that becomes part of your credit as well.
That's a great idea. All right, Cindy, thank you for joining me today. It was nice talking to you. If you want to get in touch with Cindy Rein-Zima, who is the president and CEO of Hamilton Horizons Credit Union, give her a call at the branch and get to the free seminar.
Great. Thank you, Bill. Appreciate it.
Thank you.